everyone! Maging buntag kaninyong tanan. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Antel Grand Village. Konnichiwa! Ayan, hello! Good afternoon. And anyway guys, ito pong bahay na nasa harapan natin guys, ito po is bahay ng ating lot owner dito po sa Antel Grand Village. Dahil po ay nasa Singapore sila at medyo mahirap po ang makauwi. Well, for today's video, para sa inyo po ma'am and sir, so feature natin yung bahay ninyo po, kung paano po ba ang turnover at kung paano po ba ginawa ito ng ating developer. Alright, so doon sa aking previous video po, hindi pa buo yung bahay, but after a month, after 2 months, guys, the house is ready for occupancy. And inaantay na lang po natin yung feedback ni Miss Lala for the house inspection and turnover. Anyway, itong house na ito guys, with the lot area po of at least 120 square meters. No, this is our Felicity model unit. This is the smallest house po for the 120 square meters dito po sa Antel Grand Village na single detached. So it has 3 bedrooms, then 3 toilet and bath, and car garage. So the house is detached. Ibig sabihin guys, you have space both sides, so harap, sa likod, sa gilid, at makakaikot kayo 360. But today, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang turnover nito ngayon. Alright, keep on watching. Alright guys, so nandito tayo ngayon sa pinaka-actual house ni Felicity. Turnover. Hi ma'am and sir na nasa Singapore. So ito po is special feature para po sa inyo, para makita nyo po yung inyo pong bahay dito sa Antel Grand Village. And of course, makikita nyo rin guys na our property and the location is very safe, kasi even umaga, gabi, tanghali, umagahan, hapunan guys, umiikot po yung ating mga roving guards. Ayan, yan po ang example. Alright, so itong Felicity model po with the lot area of 120 square meters minimum, pero ito po is corner lot, so medyo malaki ang lote nito. So upon entering the house, no, meron po kayo ditong parang porch area, so may steps going up, and yung atin pong turnover na pinto is a steel door. So kung susukatin po natin guys, this is a 1 meter. I think this one is 1 meter wide, no? Yung atin pong main door, ang laki. And let's check dito sa loob. Wow. Ma'am and sir, ang ganda ng pwesto ng house nyo, kasi the house is facing the morning sun. This one is east and south. So this one is southeast. Wow. No, nice. No, the house with a lot area of at least 120 square meters and with a floor area of 109 square meters. So it has 3 rooms. So this is the actual turnover po ng ating Felicity model unit. And makikita nyo naman po na dito sa pinaka kitchen area is a granite. And of course, mayroon na tayong mga hanging and built-in cabinets. Plus, ang maganda dito guys, this house is an open concept. And then, tago ang pinaka kitchen area. Alright, so aside from this very nice feature, meron pa po itong isang common toilet and bath o powder area dito po sa pinaka ground floor. So, meron na siyang fixtures. And yung tiles is mga nasa overhead. And meron kayo isang toilet and bath. Plus, you have very cute ventilation o awning type. Napaka-cute ng kanyang. Alright, so anyway po, so this house po is hindi pa po ito turn over. So meron pa po itong punch listing. So whatever defect no dito po sa house, bago po ito turn over is aayusin na po yan siya guys. And of course, ang ganda po ng pwesto na to guys, because this is your lanai area. Oh, napakahangin. Mahangin ano. So this is your lanai area wherein kung meron kayong grill or outside activity, dito kayo kakain sa labas, din lagyan nyo po ito ng halaman guys, itong pot na to. So ang ganda ng pwesto niya. Very special, no? And of course, ang property line po from this post hanggang dito po. So meron pa po siyang 2 meters pa na setback na later on na pwede niya po siyang i-improve yung inyong house. Okay, so check natin guys ang pinaka aerial top nito. So ngayon po. Alright, so nakita niyo po yung house niyo po, ma'am and sir. Ang ganda, di ba? So very spectacular. Ang ganda. Alright, now check naman natin sa second floor. Wow. Okay, so this is the second floor. Sama muna natin, no? So, ang pinakakisame natin, naka-design na po siya. Ganyan na po siya, guys. Ayan. So, ang ganda po ang turnover nitong Felicity House. And then, yung ating steps, no? So, ito po is a wood plank at going up. So, mataas siya. So, lalagyan natin ng chandelier para medyo mas maganda po ang ating bahay. Wow, ang ganda na. Wow. Okay. So, nirequest po ito ni Ma'am and Sir na nasa Singapore. At video natin yung inyong bahay para I think last 2 weeks pa po ito yun. But ngayon lang po ako nagkaroon ng time. Okay, so this is the bedroom 1. So, the bedroom 1 po, meron kayong ventilation and meron na kayong built-in cabinet. Wow, nice. So, kasya dito guys, isang double bed. Dito po sa first room. Okay, then let's check the second room. So, this is the second room. Wow. So, meron na siyang built-in cabinet. And yung flooring natin dito sa itaas is a vinyl. Alright. So, the same size lang po ang pinaka room natin. Okay? Then, let's check the common toilet and bath dito sa itaas po. Wow. So, with fixtures and then meron na kayong ventilation dyan, guys. So, hinihingal ako kasi. Mainit. Mainit na. Para mahangin dito. Alright, so let's check the master's bedroom. Wow. Ayan, ma'am and sir. So, ito yung pinaka-master's bedroom ninyo. So, ang ganda. Maganda ang linis. Ang linis ng gawa. So, ayan siya guys. Okay, so ang maganda dito po is meron po kayong toilet and bath dito guys. Sa master's bedroom. Okay, ayan. Okay. Alright. So, this is the master's bed. May sarili kayong toilet and bath. At ang ganda ng pwesto guys. Alright, ma'am and sir. Ayan po, nagawa ko na po yung inyong request. Maraming salamat po sa inyo pong panonood ng ating house tour. Okay, so dito sa master's bedroom, what makes this special kasi meron siya sariling balcony. Wow, mahangin talaga siya. Wow, it's very nice. Okay, then this is a corner lot. Okay. Alright, ito na po siya ma'am. So dahil request nyo po, ang maganda dito po is malapit kayo sa park. Ayan, park na po siya. So narinig nyo po yung hangin. Yung mataas na bahay na yun guys, sa kliyente ko po yan siya. Hi ma'am, Elizabeth. Kumusta kayo? Alright. So I hope nag-enjoy po kayo sa ating site tour today. And maraming salamat po. So if you wish po na kung may lote na po kayo dito sa Antel Grand Village na 120 square meters po. So, pwede po kayo ditong magpa-quote nitong Felicity Model House. Lalo na kung fully paid na po yun yung pong property. Ayan. Okay. So, bababa po tayo. So, ingat lang po tayo kasi itong house na to guys is hindi po siya na-turn over. Maingay yung sapatos ko. Okay. So, alright. So, dalawa po ang feature ko ngayong araw na ito. So, ang maganda rin dito kay Felicity Model, this is a single detached house with 3 rooms, 3 toilet and bath, and car garage. This house is a single detached, so maiikutan nyo po yung house na to 360. And of course, ang kulang na lang dito guys, tubig at saka ilaw. Alright, so paano ba maka-avail nitong Felicity model? As long as may lote na kayo dito sa Antel Grand Village na 120 square meters, or kung gusto niyo pong mag-avail nito, so bagong-bago po. So we have 5 units na 120 square meters na lot na pwede po kay Felicity House. So request lang po kayo ng computation, available po dito for deferred and bank financing. Alright, so lot only is still available dito po sa Antel Grand Village and Anyana. Alright, so maraming salamat po and see you in my next video. God bless po sa ating lahat.